Bad food for your brain. Your brain is one of the most important organs in your body. It controls everything. Your beating heart, your breathing lungs, everything. However, some foods we eat can have a negative effect on the brain, impacting its ability to operate properly. Sugar drinks. Sugar drinks such as soda, energy drinks and fruit juice contain an excessive amount of sugar, which can increase the chance of developing type 2 diabetes. This can then increase the risk of both dementia and Alzheimer's disease. Highly processed foods. Highly processed foods are typically higher in sugar, added fats and salt, and these include foods such as chips, sweets, instant noodles, store-bought sauces and ready-made meals. A diet high in unhealthy ingredients can result in lower levels of sugar metabolism in the brain and a decrease in brain tissue, which can lead to Alzheimer's disease. Sodium foods. People consuming a high sodium diet are at increased risk of developing dementia or Alzheimer's disease. Foods that have a high sodium content include ham and bacon because salt is used to cure and flavour the meat, as well as pizza because many of the ingredients such as cheese, dough and processed meat all contain significant amounts of sodium. Fish containing mercury. Mercury is a heavy metal contaminant that can be stored for a long time in animal tissues. In particular, predatory fish that live a long time are particularly susceptible to mercury contamination. After a person eats mercury, it spreads all around their body and concentrates in the brain, liver and kidneys. And the effects of mercury toxicity include disruption of the central nervous system and stimulation of neurotoxins, all of which result in damage to the brain. Now, most fish are okay to eat, it's just predatory fish such as marlin, shark, swordfish and big-eye tuna that should be avoided. Alcohol. Whilst a little alcohol from time to time is fine, excessive consumption can have a serious adverse effect on the brain. Chronic alcohol use results in a reduction in brain volume, metabolic change and disruption of neurotransmitters, which are the chemicals the brain uses to communicate. Red meat. Red meat contains iron, which the body does need and in moderation is good for us. However, too much iron can cause oxidative damage, which can lead to cell deterioration and damage in the brain. As always, the best way to keep your brain healthy is to follow a diet rich in healthy, fresh, whole foods. So we hope you found this information useful. Until next time, goodbye.